Arup, how are you feeling about, you know, the Sunday Special Icon Awards? We're celebrating 25 years of Sunday in the industry and the industry itself. How do you feel about that?
I'm very excited and I'm looking forward. And I've been nominated for the, I think, lifestyle.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm really excited. Let's see.
Let's see who wins with the best
Who
person
wins?
win.
Yeah.
So let's get into the video and the
Yeah.
questions. So you're often introduced as Ducky Bhai's wife, and today you've built a huge audience of yourself. Was there a point where you consciously decided you wanted people to know the real individual Arup Jitoi? Like आपको like होता था कि मेरी एक अलग पहचान हो?
If I be honest, no. क्योंकि I never thought कि यार मैं और वो एक अलग अलग यूनिट है. I always thought कि मतलब I actually felt very proud जब भी मैं साथ के साथ अगर मुझे कोई कहता है कि आप डकी भाई की वाइफ हैं या if people recognize me that way, तब भी I don't have a issue with that. और मैंने कभी इस तरह consciously नहीं सोचा था. But हाँ, जब मैंने like content creation शुरू की, फिर लोग अलग से जानना शुरू हुए, तो I really liked it.
No, so you like the tag of being Saad's wife?
Yeah, I love it.
We love that.
I'm proud of him.
You're a very cute couple, just by the
Thank
way.
you so much.
Okay, coming back to your content creation journey, जब आप अपनी कोई पुरानी वीडियोस वगैरह देखती हैं तो किसी को ऐसी वीडियो है पहली जो उस पर आप क्रिंज करती हो कि मैंने क्या बना दिया?
Almost all. Especially the pranks.
Oh, the pranks, yeah, we've all seen that.
50 रुपए कार्ड overacting के. I've done so much overacting, I feel.
Okay, and one of those old videos you're very proud of?
Old videos?
Like जिससे आप very proud of till date कि ये एक मेरा mark set हो गया है.
My videos or Saad videos?
Your videos.
I recently bought my father a car.
Oh,
I'm really
that's
proud
very
of that.
nice. That's very
Yeah.
sweet. Your life looks very aesthetically put together online. What's something about your everyday routine that would surprise your audience?
I sleep at 6 a.m. Maybe that.
Okay. And what if Instagram disappeared today? What would you be doing right now then?
Probably be a housewife.
No, nothing.
Yeah, no.
Nice. Saad's a lucky guy. Lifestyle creators are often expected to constantly level up, better homes, better cars, bigger vacations. Do you ever feel pressurized to it to keep up with the expectation जो online होती है कि अच्छा ये content creator है तो इसके पास सब कुछ up to date होगा?
Sometimes it does affect you. You do feel कि यार वो बंदा वो ले रहा है तो I think I should get it also.
Yeah.
But then you have to keep telling yourself कि यार नहीं, उसकी जर्नी अलग है, आपकी जर्नी अलग है. तो आप कभी भी एक दूसरे के साथ कंपैरिजन नहीं कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, जो what I've been through or what the other person has been through, I cannot compare. तो फिर मैं अपने आप को यही समझाती हूँ कि यार there's no point. Let them buy, let them do whatever they want to. Or yeah, that's
So
how
you're a
it
big
works.
believer of everyone has their own journey.
Yeah,
And
definitely.
you could reach it. You could reach a more milestone at any point of your life.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, that's really nice. Okay, so Arup, getting back to the questions, you're constantly approached by brands. We've seen you doing, a lot of ads, a lot of collaborations with different brands. What's an immediate red flag that makes you turn down a collaboration?
The disrespect.
Can you explain more?
Like for example, a brand reaches out to you and they're like कि नहीं, like for example budget की बात हो रही है and I'm giving them a quotation कि यार इतना मैं charge करती हूँ and they're like नहीं, हानिया भी तो इतना charge करती है या वो तो इतना charge
Comparison बात करना शुरू
comparison
करते हैं.
करने लग जाते हैं. और फिर मतलब I don't like, I respect उनको भी जो दूसरे creators हैं, but like you should not compare. Again वही बात है कि यार comparison नहीं होना चाहिए और brands इस तरह से करके अगले बंदे को, उस content creator को disrespect कर रहे होते हैं. तो I feel like this is so bad.
This is
and they should
something
not
new
do it.
I've heard कि brands भी एक comparison करते हैं content creators के बीच में. Okay. Being married to another creator means your work and personal life naturally overlaps. How do you make sure relationship doesn't start feeling like content?
Acha, so when we used to make vlogs back in 2024, I believe तब ये चीज़ बहुत ज़्यादा feel करती थी मैं, because we used to make daily vlogs. और उसके अंदर personal life आपकी totally neglect हो जाती है. everything, all the activities you're doing, even if you're going on a honeymoon, तो you're more focused on the vlogs कि यार हम लोग content निकाल लें उसमें से, या what is the best we can do to for the people, you know, not for ourselves but for the people. So obviously वो चीज़ मुझे बहुत feel होती थी, but eventually जब डॉलर्स आते थे अकाउंट में तो फिर मैं खुश हो जाती थी कि चलो यार दैट्स
It was worth it.
yeah, it was worth it.
But like, have you guys overcome it yet now? कि like कुछ ऐसा पार्ट होता है कि like you're like नहीं आज नहीं बनाना कंटेंट, आज हमारा मी टाइम है. लकी भाई कर रहे हैं आप ऐसे कि नहीं?
नहीं, एक्चुअली ही इज़ वेरी नाइस इन इस मामले में. अब तो वैसे आपको पता है कि वी आर नॉट मेकिंग व्लॉग्स, लाइक ही इज़ नॉट मेकिंग व्लॉग्स, आई डोंट डू व्लॉग्स एनीवे. मेरा इंस्टाग्राम है, इंस्टाग्राम इज़ नॉट लाइक दैट. इंस्टाग्राम इज़ लाइक अभी 1 घंटे का इंटरव्यू हुआ, इसके बाद आई एम बैक टू माई नॉर्मल लाइफ. आई कैन स्पेंड टाइम विद माई हस्बैंड, आई कैन गो आउट, आई कैन मीट whoever I want. तो उसमें फिर वो प्रॉब्लम नहीं होती. बट हाँ, डेफिनेटली जब आप लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल व्लॉग्स कर रहे होते हो तो फिर आपका पूरा दिन बाउंड हो जाता है. आप ट्रैवलिंग कर रहे हो तो फिर आप हनीमून पे हो या जो भी हो, आप बाहर गए हो, यू आर शोइंग एवरी लाइक पार्ट ऑफ योर डे कि यार हमने ये खाया, ये किया, वो किया. तो अपना वाला टाइम यू नो वहाँ पे कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ होता था, बट इट डजंट हैपन एनी मोर.
That's great to know. Okay, you and Saad have such different personalities on camera. What do you think is the biggest misconception people have about your relationship?
Oh. You tell me, what is my personality on the camera?
I feel you're an introvert and he's a kind of an extrovert. But मुझे लगता है ये उल्टा है.
ये उल्टा है. You said it. Because he is actually an introvert.
Yeah.
And I'm not extrovert, but I'm very कैसे कह सकती हूँ मैं इसको? How to explain it? कि जैसे
You know your people. कि किनके साथ जेलन करना और किनके साथ नहीं करना.
Yeah, exactly. I do open up, but only with very selective people.
Yeah. And Saad is the one who's like, you know, content पे लगेगा कि like सबसे बात कर लेंगे, but जैसे कैमरा ऑफ होगा he's like, okay मैं कोने में बैठ जाऊँ.
हाँ, yeah, right.
Okay, nice. Okay, so we're going to do a rapid fire with you. You have to select, you know, कि कौन सी आपको ऑप्शन पसंद है और कौन सी नहीं. Okay, so Instagram Reels or YouTube videos?
Definitely Instagram Reels.
Heels or sneakers?
Heels.
Okay, coffee or chai?
Coffee.
Gold jewelry or silver?
Gold.
Designer wear or high street fashion?
Designer wear.
Glam makeup or no makeup?
No makeup.
Okay. Online shopping or in store?
I think online, because I cannot go out उस तरह से.
Okay. So we as an audience have seen that you have pets. So the next question is related to that.
Okay.
Poosh or Ducky bhai?
Saad, of course.
Not Poosh?
Yeah, Poosh me यार. This is a pet.
अभी तो आपने एक नई कैट भी ली है. मिशी. तो अब चलो Poosh और मिशी.
Oh my god. I love you, Mishi, but Poosh.
Guys, Poosh is the cutest cat I've ever seen. एक like you know Garfield in a human form है वो. वो अभी मिल नहीं रहा, पता नहीं किधर गया है.
आपके बिल्कुल अंदर गया हुआ सोफे के.
उसको निकालते हैं. Okay, so guys, we have a special guest joining us in the interview. The one and only, the cutest cat I've ever seen, Poosh. Can you tell us the story behind Poosh? Like, you know, आपने कब लिया and like, you know, what's the journey been like being a cat mom?
Cat mom. We found him on the street.
Oh.
हम लोग कहीं जा रहे थे और ये रास्ते में हमें मिला. Now he's the important part of my life.
It seems he's very cute.
He's very cute. He's so calm.
Okay, coming back to the questions, that was the rapid fire round. We're coming towards the end of the video. Okay, Aroop, what's something people assume about you that's completely inaccurate?
What people
like क्या assumption है लोगों की कि like you know कैमरे पे आप कुछ लगती हैं but off camera you're something else.
Yeah, you're the audience. You tell.
Yeah, guys, please comments में बताएं.
Yeah, what are the assumptions about me? I think people think that I'm pregnant when
Oh my god. That got way too real. Okay, guys, now you guys know the answer. She's only a cat mom, not an actual mom. और ये जो Poosh, उनका बच्चा.
दो बच्चे. मिशी भी.
Mishi and Poosh. Okay. Describe Aroop Jatoi in 3 words.
She is generous.
And 3 words.
Oh, okay. 3 sentences.
Yeah, 3
Okay.
sentences, chale.
She is generous. She is loyal. She is very loving.
No, that's so sweet. My question to you is, like, people think content creation is a very easy job and easy way to make money. Okay, what's your take on that?
काम कोई भी आसान नहीं है. काम चाहे आप जो कर रही हो वो भी आसान नहीं है. काम जो मैं कर रही हूँ वो भी आसान नहीं है. बिकॉज आप देखो, वी कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ ऑन सो मैनी थिंग्स, वी सेक्रीफाइस सो मैनी थिंग्स. हमारी पर्सनल लाइफ हो गई, उसके बाद द सो मैनी थिंग्स दैट आई कैन नॉट डू बिकॉज आई कम ऑन लाइक सोशल मीडिया, राइट? तो देयर आर सो मैनी सेक्रीफाइसेस दैट